Hey, this just in. We just found a workaround to get TikTok working for you. It's not the way you intended it to be used, but it will work for the time being. Or at least for right now, it's working. So let's roll the clips on how to get it to work. So you're going to open up your web browser, go to TikTok.com, and the TikTok.com, it says, everyone seeing TikTok is back. It's not back. And let's see. It's only back for me on my PC. The app don't work. So for some people, the app is still working. Mine is very slow coming back. But again, it's not working for myself. The app says no internet connection, nothing. So that is a problem. You can see, guys, we're on the actual TikTok's website. And the TikTok website is still currently working. Some people are saying that the app is still working in their neck of the woods. I was talking to somebody on the Threads app, and they were saying if you are on TikTok, and they were in Seattle, they said the app is still working. So I went to my app, and it brought up that it's not working. But you can see that this is working. So you go here, you can go to for your page. Some of the things are still loading, but the website experience for this app sucks. It's not fun, it's not enjoyable, and technically I just uploaded a video, as you can see right here, but as you read the title, it says uploading from my PC because the app no longer works. So there is workarounds to use TikTok in like a weird way, but you could still see that there's still videos being displayed on the platform. So that is that. But when you go to like live videos, it says no live videos for you. So it's definitely telling you that some of the features aren't being able to be used anymore due to that fact. So here's the Explorer page. Your followers.
West of social media, people are asking me where they can find me outside of this app, which is where I normally exist. This app is a fantasy imagination land, wonderful bubble, but I have existed and do exist outside this app. So you can find me on all the major music streaming platforms. YouTube is where I normally live. Instagram is where I normally live. But you could find my music pretty much anywhere. So I will see you over there or wherever you choose to find your new home. Or TikTok doesn't die and Carrot Top takes credit for that and says that he saved it. So we'll see where we're at in a couple days. But either way, thank you for all the support on here.
So I'm an OG yapper, and I stopped yapping because this app scared me off because I felt like everybody hated me, which was probably true. But since this app is about to be over, I'm back to my yapping origin. And
my question is, how come all these celebrities that got big off this platform never stepped up and said, yo, keep the app, son? Because if you notice, she did get very popular on this app. Very popular. And she would post crazy stuff. But again, you would assume she would have actually said something. But anyways, like I said, you can go to TikTok.com on your PC. It's like a watered down version because it's meant to be used on a mobile device. As you can see right here, this is my profile on TikTok on the app itself. You go to inbox, it's showing people that I have engaged with. It is showing the TikTok shop. You go to explore, but it says no internet connection. You go to followers, no internet connection. You go to shop, there's nothing there. You go to your For You page, there's nothing there. If I type in, let's just say, her videos, for example, there's nothing that pops up. So the only workaround, like I said before, is using it on the PC. Some people are saying the app is slowly coming back because that was Jessica Dance Fitness that was dancing in the first clip. She said it works for her, and now this doesn't work. So it's just saying no internet connection. And if you go to this and you type in like TikTok, it says download, it says looking for TikTok. Downloads for this app are paused due to current US legal regulations. So the first app that is really recommending is right here, which is already installed, which is Instagram. But when you go back, it's not working for me, like I said. But let's see if I take her name off and I just go back to the TikTok shop. It's allowing me to see the TikTok shop, but you click on things and it just says no internet access. So like I said, I would just use the website for now because it does everything you're supposed to do, but you probably won't get likes or attentions or views on your video, but at least you can still upload.